Today I want to talk about how businesses approach software. And I think we approach this with the mindset of, let's give it a go, let's try it out. And it's really not the best way to do it. So if we think about the amount of software that's out there, like just CRM systems, you've got Zoho CRM, Salesforce, HubSpot, Suite CRM, ActiveCampaign, Microsoft Dynamics, and the list goes on and on. Now, if you went and signed up every month for a different trial of all of the CRM systems, it would take you a year to get through all of them. You wouldn't remember the ones that you tried first, and they all kind of blur together. So it's not a good idea to sign up to a trial. You need to make a list of the things that the business needs. And so that probably takes you back to doing workshops internally and just really understanding how the business runs. So that's my tip for the day. Don't play with software. Research, understand your business first, and then research the software.